Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today I am continuing with the Dashavatara Stotras. In my earlier videos I have covered, in two videos I have covered the Matsya and Kurma Avatara. That was the first video with verbatim meanings and full lyrics I have given, plus the introduction about the full Dashavatara Stotra. These stotras, as I told you my dear friends, these are composed by Maharshi Veda Vyasa, and this stotra, fantastic, simplest and finest stotra, Dashavatara stotra composed by Maharshi Veda Vyasa, appears in Vishnu Puranam. So the first video I have covered Matsya and Kurma Avatara, full lyrics plus verbatim meanings plus introduction on Veda Vyasa to the Dashavatara stotra. Second video I took up Varaha, Vamana, Varaha, Narasimha and Vamana Avataras. That was the sequential order of the Dashavataras of Lord Shri Mahavishnu. So second video I covered Varaha, Narasimha and Vamana Avataras. Second video also I gave full lyrics plus introduction and explanations. So in this third video now, today I am taking up 6th and 7th Avatara Stotras of Lord Shri Mahavishnu, that is Parashurama Stotra, Lord Parashurama Stotra, 6th Avatara, and then 7th Avatara, Lord Shri Rama Avatara. So as usual, I will be giving the full lyrics on the YouTube screen. Those interested, please take snapshot and mug up and practice this chanting of these stotras daily, morning and evening, and we can reap wonderful, great benefits. So please share my videos to maximum people so that everybody can reap benefits. The greatest benefit we are getting by chanting these Dashavatara stotras or any other stotra, my dear friends, is Ayura Arogya Aishwarya Bhagya plus Sukha Shanti Nemmadi. That is what we all require. Ultimately, peace, happiness, joy and happy life, peaceful life, joyous life. That will be granted by Lord Shri Mahavishnu. Vishnu is the world takecarer. He takes care of the entire universe, Paripalanam. So that is the duty of Lord Shri Mahavishnu, and we have to chant the eulogies, the stotras of Lord Shri Mahavishnu to reap wonderful, good benefits, that is Ayura Arogya Aishwarya and Sukha Shanti Nemmadi. So here I go, my dear friends, 6th and 7th Avatara stotras, that is Lord Parashurama Stotra and Lord Shri Rama Stotra. I will be giving the lyrics on the YouTube screen. Follow me. Let us chant this and enjoy devotion and melody and brilliant poetry. So here I go. Parashurama Stotra, 6th Avatara Stotra. Kshitipativam Shakshayakara Murte, Kshitipativam Shakshayakara Murte, Kshitipati Katta Hara Murte, Kshitipativam Shakshayakara Murte, Kshitipati Katta Hara Murte, Bhrugukula Rama Paresha Namo Bhaktante Paripalayamam, Bhrugukula Rama Paresha Namo Bhaktante Paripalayamam. So that was it. And then moving on to the 7th Avatara Stotra, that is Lord Shri Rama Avatara Stotra. Here I go. The lyrics will appear on the YouTube screen. Sita Vallabhada Sharathe Dasharathanandana Loka Guru, Sita Vallabhada Sharathe Dasharathanandana Loka Guru, Ravana Mardana Rama Namo Bhaktante Paripalayamam, Ravana Mardana Rama Namo Bhaktante Paripalayamam. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? These are all very simplest and finest, brilliant poetry composed by Maharshi Veda Vyasa. This is not very complicated at all. Very simple, easy Sanskrit. Even children can understand these things and composed in a brilliant manner so that we can enjoy brilliant poetry and devotion and melody. So fantastic. Let us just chant these stotras daily, morning and evening, and reap wonderful good benefits. So in the next upcoming video, we will take up the further avatars of Lord Shri Mahavishnu, that is 8th, 9th and 10th. That will be Lord Shri Krishna, Buddha and Kalki in order. So until then, we will just first chant this 6th and 7th Avatara Stotras again and wrap up this video, my dear friends. So here I go. Kshitipati Vamsha Kshayakara Murte, Kshitipati Katta Hara Murte, Chitipati Vamsha Kshayakara Murte, Chitipati कर्ता हरमूर्ते भृगुकुल राम परेश नमो भक्तन्ते परिपालय मां भृगुकुल राम परेश नमो भक्तन्ते परिपालय मां सीतावल्लभ दाशरथे दशरथ नंदन लोकगुरो सीतावल्लभ दाशरथे दशरथ नंदन लोकगुरो रावणमर्दन राम नमो भक्तन्ते परिपालय मां रावणमर्दन राम नमो भक्तन्ते परिपालय मां. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So in the next upcoming video, we'll meet with the further stotras on Lord Shri Krishna Buddha and Kalki Avatara stotras. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Degi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As you all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Shakti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.